This is a video tour of a king balcony room at the Hilton Marina, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Just a quick note, they were doing construction in the lobby, so it was a bit of a hiccup to try to get in and check in. They're using one of the conference rooms. Stepping in, you can see the nice renovated bathroom. There is a nice stand-up shower with very nice tile work all throughout. The water pressure was really good. Standard setup in a bathroom. I do want to note that the sink uh, was a throttle type control where you could maneuver it all around to control. Was one of the more unique sink faucets I've ever seen in a hotel. Standard closet, luggage rack, hangers, ironing board, and safe. Now, looking into the bed and living area, it was a connecting room. However, I'm not sure if there was anyone next to us. There was no noise or anything like that. Didn't hear anybody. King size bed, TV setup, nice little lounge and seating area with some woodworking, had some really nice theming to it. The nightstands next to each bed had USB ports built in, so you didn't need to worry about making sure you had your charger. The USB cables worked just fine. Comfortable love seat. Stepping out onto the balcony, we were facing more towards Port Everglades, where you could see cruise ships. If you were a little bit higher up, you would have had a lot better view. Uh, as you can see, there's the top of the Disney ship to the right, and then straight ahead there was the Celebrity ship. The drawbridge does go up, I'm not sure how long, and nice, comfortable furniture there on the balcony. Heading back into, you see the rest of the room again, and to the right there, standard mini fridge, and on to the left of that is where the coffee maker setup was. There was also a really nice pool area. I would say, as far as just regular hotels go in the United States, it was a really nice pool, had a really nice resort setup. There was a tiki bar, servers coming around, and you were really right on all of the intercoastal and canals in Fort Lauderdale. If you're in the area, I would definitely recommend it as a stay.